Yo, what's going on? This is your boy Busy, the broker breaker, and I'm coming to you with another strategy on the broker breaker system, the lender broker breaker system. So what we're going to be talking about now is bullish flags, how to trade them, the broker breaker way. So this right here is a bullish flag, as you can see. Now you're in a nice zone, nice area of buyers right here. You see I marked my support resistance. Notice my chart isn't so cluttered. I don't have a million lines everywhere. It's very, very, very simple. I see we're coming off this descending channel, but we got this breakout right here. That's all breakout. And then this flag started to form. So once this flag was forming, right here, let me get my replay bars. Took it right about here. Once this flag was forming, all you do is wait. Whatever time frame you see the flag forming on, I've seen this flag actually forming on the 4-hour flag. Okay, I see a 4-hour flag. I go down 1 to 2 time frames, 30-minute, and I wait for a retest. I'm gonna take it off on replay bars and see exactly what happened. And now you see exactly what happened. This right here was your retest. Notice how the flag, this part is the flag. Notice how price never broke this pole. That is very important. Very, very, very important. And in the broker breaker system, the lender broker breaker system, price should never break this pole during the bullish flag. If it does, this flag is now invalid. So I know a lot of people always say, well, Busy, when do I get in for the buy? Quite simple. You can either buy right down here on this green line, as close to this green line as possible, or again, look at your MACD, wait for the retest. So you would have bought right here, perfectly right there. This was your retest. And notice how when you see the momentum start to shift up, this was your zone to buy right here. And you literally caught off the bottom of that flag 109 pips and counting. That means this trade is still going on. So another question I get all the time is people saying, where do I place my stop loss? Again, you could place your stop loss right below this low right here. Once you see price taking off and going in your direction, right below this low. I normally get mine about 20 pips, but again, you could literally caught this breakout. You were risking 15 pips, 20 pips to gain 100. So 10 to 100, that's a 1 to 10 ratio. That's good trading numbers all day. And again, all you did was recognize that this was a breakout, flag, wait for the retest of the MACD. You got your retest. Structure did not break this pole, and you got in for the buy to the upside. And then you trade to the next zone. Me, I would probably more than likely trade price to a buyout right here. You can take profit right there, or if price breaks through here and gives you another flag, take it up to the next zone. And that is how we trade bullish flags. If you want more confirmation on how to get in for the flag, switch over to Rinkos in your trading view. I suggest you get the pro package just so you can trade Rinkos. They're very awesome. I normally trade this on a 1 minute or a 5 minute. And look, perfect example, you got your retest right here. Momentum started to shift up, just like on candles. And you got your confirmation brick with a wick. On the second brick, you could have got in for the buy. So your stop loss would have been essentially 20 pips, 25 pips. to gain 100 or more, depending on how far this trade runs. And once your trade is in profit, it gets a good bit in profit, set your stop loss in front of your entry, let it run. It's not a risk-free trade. And that is all I have today on bullish flags.